My next example, I would like to show similar idea that I'll have a strategy where we choose a field of limit orders. So I'm going to run this scenario where the basic strategy is very simple. It's using mean reverting pattern, but it will place limit orders into book, and it will be two scenarios. The first scenario, I'll place limit order with 1 tick offset, and the second scenario, I will place limit order with 5 tick offset. And in both cases, I will wait for 10 minutes before I cancel the order if it's not filled. So let's click on Command OK, and we'll look at results of backtest. I'll zoom out to 4 hours and show you results of this simulation. So the strategy suggests replacing order, in this case with 5 tick offset. This is a bar closing price. I am selling. This is the mean reverting strategy. My price is above upper band. So I'm making shift, this delta 5 ticks, and I place this order at this level. And as you see, we're basically filling it when price crosses the, again, it's a trade-based simulation. That's how long the order was active before it gets filled, and we fill at this level. If I zoom out to 9 hours, we'll see that some of our orders were just simply canceled because they couldn't be filled. I'm using 2-minute bars, and 5 bars later, order wasn't filled because price never crossed it. So with the simulation of 5 ticks, we're getting this result. If I click on apply setting and go to 1 tick offset, you can see that exactly the same orders, most of them get filled because, of course, if we're placing order with a closer distance, and then the chances for price being filled is much higher. So what we're seeing is by me switching cursor over, it's like almost like an animation. We can compare 2 different scenarios of simulation. If we go to performance report, we'll get the full detailed analysis of 2 different scenarios. I apply filter and use only, like basically all trades, not only short and long. We see that scenario with 1 tick performs kind of definitely different. It's 25% difference between 1 tick spread and 5 tick spread, which means that impact of just only how far in the book we're going to submit limit orders definitely plays a high role. So I'm just illustrating that capabilities. So these 2 scenarios will be, I just finished my backtesting illustration, and of course I can do more strategies. And so what I like to do at this point, go to live deployment of strategies, and we'll start it from me opening the TradingConsole, which represents just a launching pad for several strategies. And in the demo, I'll try to cover today 4 different examples, which are currently running. I'll start from exactly the same that we did in backtesting, in just simply look at it in a live mode. So when we open this technology called Flexible Monitor, we're seeing the basically stream of data live, going through, again, in this way, in this case is Object Trading Gateway Simulator. And exactly as we expected, this is the mean reverting pattern. So currently, I am in a open position, and the strategy assumes trailing stops. I go to this finder, CLF5, and the strategy in this particular case uses 30-second steps to adjust limit and profit levels, and they're all visible in the order book CL5. So let me do the following. Let me just show how easy it's to go between automatic and discretionary trading. So in this case, the strategy runs fully automatic, right? And if I say auto trading, I just will change this flag from true to false, and the strategy will stop sending signals for instruments automatically. So I click on this, I'll come here to false, I send apply, and strategy will stop automatic trading. So I will just go and still use the discretionary part of it, so I still will be capable of placing orders manually and checking them and managing them. So let's go to my position. Let me go to my position window. I'll just zoom here, and I'll go to position. So I don't have any, at this point, open positions. So that's great. Let's go and do the following. Let me place market order. For example, I'll come here and I'll say I would like to buy 20 contracts of crude oil. I'll just place the market order, and we see the order gets filled. And if I go to position monitor, yes, we indeed seeing that we got, well, position got immediately closed because I use profit taking and stop losses, right?